Your phone isn't addictive. You are. Not in a bad way. Not because you're weak, but because your nervous system is starving for something your screen keeps pretending to give you and never actually delivers. You pick up your phone to take a break. 5 minutes later, you've scrolled through 47 posts, watched 3 reels, and checked 2 DMs you didn't need to answer. And how do you feel? Not rested, not lighter, just empty. Like you ate a bag of chips when you were actually thirsty. Here's the quiet truth no app designer will tell you. Your phone doesn't hijack your attention. It exploits a deeper hunger, the human need for connection, meaning, and safety. And when real connection feels hard, your brain takes the shortcut. A notification buzzes. Dopamine flickers. For 1 second, you feel seen. But it's not real connection. It's connection adjacent. Like eating plastic fruit. It looks like nourishment, but it leaves you hungrier. So why can't you stop? Because every time you scroll, you're not feeding your loneliness. You're training it. Your brain learns, when I feel empty, reach for the phone. It gives me something, but it never gives you enough. So you scroll longer, deeper, later into the night, and the emptiness grows. Now, here's what almost no one notices. Your phone isn't the problem. The gap is. That moment between finishing a task and deciding what to do next, that silence when you wake up and reach for your screen before your feet hit the floor, that pause when you're waiting for coffee and your hand moves automatically to your pocket, that's where the habit lives. Not in the scrolling, in the gap. And gaps aren't evil. They're just empty. So your brain fills them with the easiest thing available. But what if you could fill the gap with something that actually feeds you? Not another app, not another hack, just one tiny shift. First, name the hunger. Before you unlock your phone, pause for one breath and ask, what do I actually need right now? Connection? Text one real friend, not a group chat. Rest? Close your eyes for 60 seconds. Clarity? Write one sentence in a notes app. Safety? Place your hand on your chest and breathe. This isn't about willpower. It's about witnessing. Most people scroll because they don't know what they're hungry for. You scroll less when you can name the hunger. Second, create friction. Your phone is designed for 0 friction, so you add it back. Delete social apps from your home screen. Put your phone in grayscale mode. Yes, really, it reduces dopamine hits by 37%. Charge it outside your bedroom. These aren't punishments, they're gentle boundaries, like putting cookies in a high cabinet so you don't eat them at 2 a.m. Third, replace the ritual, not the tool. You don't need to quit your phone. You need to replace the empty ritual with a nourishing one. Instead of scrolling while waiting, watch the sky for 60 seconds. Notice one cloud shape. Instead of checking your phone first thing, drink one sip of water. Feel it in your throat. Instead of doom scrolling before bed, write one thing you're grateful for, even if it's, my bed is soft. Tiny, doable, human. Now, subscribe. Every week, FigPhilosophy turns invisible hunger into simple, visual clarity. No shame, no hustle, just calm ideas that stick. This is FigPhilosophy.